The Arduino AKX00069 Starter Kit is designed to offer beginners an easy entry into the world of electronics and programming with its user-friendly plug-and-play components. This kit provides all the necessary components to build interactive projects, such as blinking LEDs and simple robots, helping users create devices that can interact with their environment. With a comprehensive guide included, the kit ensures that even those new to electronics can follow along and understand key concepts like circuits and programming logic. Each component in the kit is color-coded and designed for easy assembly, offering a hands-on learning experience that is both educational and enjoyable. Perfect for students, hobbyists, and educators, the kit allows users to start building functional devices easily and encourages further exploration into more complex projects. The Arduino AKX00069 Starter Kit is a versatile and engaging tool that brings ideas to life, making it an excellent choice for those interested in learning about electronics and coding.